What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. You already know who it is. It's your boy PapaTitos, and we're back with another graphics pack. The last pack we did, it was really successful. And I also got asked to make another one. I made a free one, which I could probably link in the description if you want to download. But it's not as good as this one. But yeah. So this one is full of high quality assets from Fortnite. It has a bunch of grunge stuff, a bunch of cool stuff that you can use. This pack is going to be $12, and I hope you guys enjoy. There's also a deal you can do. You can get a Lightroom with this, or you can get a PSD. So you guys can pick what you want to get. If you do end up getting it, a tweet on Twitter would be appreciated, saying how good the pack is or whatever, just to hype it up. Get me more sales, you know, that'd be super appreciated. But yeah, anyways, we'll get right into the pack. See you guys later.
You go against me, then you fuck just like a used condom. I roll them up and then I smoke them like some good guns. Hey, still doing drive-bys, but I wanna walk them. If I can't find them, you know I'm gonna stalk them. Cause tape up on the scene, I had to white talk them. Running from my gun, but my bullets had to hold them. Posted in front of the trap, selling dope till the sun come down. Take a fuck nigga right off the map. When I hit him with this whole 100 round. Young jock in the club with my Glock. You wanna play and then this bitch going down. We ain't hesitating, bullies get the blazing. I'ma lay him down like he in a lounge. Walk him down, 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 walk him down. Nigga, I was posted on the corner where the J's at. Roll up in the 4x4, pull up at the crib. And I got red in my drink when I poured soda. I remember praying that the feds never take the Motorola. Chopper got the chopper, make him do a backflip. Pay my dog down to walk him down, he need the racks, bitch. I been drinking, I been taking all this codeine to the face. Got a lot of M's in the safe. Caught a murder, then I beat the case. I was just about to do the race. Posted in front of the trap, selling dope till the sun come down. Take a fuck nigga right off the map. When I hit him with this whole 100 round. Young jock in the club with my Glock. You wanna play it in this bitch.